And we weren't after the cheapest shed, we wanted the best shed that we could get. Yeah, the online portal to contact Easyshed. Once we touched base with Josh at Easyshed, the process of iterating through the design was pretty smooth. And after we'd made the choice to go with Easyshed, the delivery expert was able to assist us through each stage, explaining when the sheds would be in production, when they would be delivered. Yep, we outsourced the building of the shed to a local builder. He had a lot of experience building sheds here in Tumbarumba post the 2019 bushfires. It's come together really nice. The builder particularly hadn't built an Easyshed before, and he noted how good the plans were that came with the shed. It was something that he could work with his apprentices. They were happy, understood each step of the process, where all steel went, where the sheets went. We made a decision to go with two separate sheds from Easyshed. One for the everyday vehicles, keep them carport and a car garage and close to the house, and we've got machinery shed here and workshop, separate workshop to keep trailers and things safe from the weather and the element. There was a couple of things that Easysheds were able to do. They were certainly comfortable building up here in the Alpine area as far as issues around snow loading. Also the fact that we wanted to go with a skillion roof design wasn't an obstacle for them, and pricing wise they were competitive. And we weren't after the cheapest shed, we wanted the best shed that we could get, you know. And Josh even talked about, oh well, we can change these members and we can do this, and you know, we'll still be within the limit. Oh yeah, it's phenomenal really, it hasn't blinked.